I feel so naked without earrings. So, like, I have to put these earrings on. And I always only wear studs or hoops. Like, it's just me. I don't know why. Sometimes the dangly earrings are cute, but preferably not for me. Seriously, my chair is making a shitload of noise. But so first things first, I'm going to use this rose water and glycerin. This is by Heritage Store. I have talked about this for, I mean, years now on my channel. I absolutely love this stuff. I love the way it makes my skin feel. As you guys can see, this is down to the nitty gritty. I have literally nothing but my eyebrows done. I'm just gonna spray this all over my face. I did moisturize. I used a face moisturizer that I literally always use here on my channel. So that is done. So you can use any moisturizer and just spray your face away. I love this stuff. I love the smell of it. And then like when I'm like doing this, it feels so crisp. I'm just literally trying to stop touching my face so much, like, because you know our hands have germs, and yes, I do use hand sanitizer and I do often wash my hands, but it's a habit and I need to cut that.
I know for a fact I'm not the only one that forgets to damp their beauty blender. I'll be right back.
So now I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 125 Nude Beige and in the shade 322 Warm Honey. I swear by these foundations. I just always have to use two because after tanning in the summertime, a girl does not match any foundation, literally. So this is a little bit darker, but it matches my skin. And then I just use a lighter foundation, like blending it. Just always matches me to the T. I hate that I cannot see myself right now. Oh, I should film that video, like me not looking in the mirror and just doing my makeup to see what y'all think. I mean, I don't have a mirror camera, so I can't see what I'm doing. That might just be in the works, okay? That just might be in the works.
Okay, so now using Maybelline. Are you serious? I feel like they cut the fucking grass every day. It's literally so annoying.
Today's like the second day of fall by the time you guys are watching this video, and I am so tempted to cut my hair. I don't know what it is about when fall comes. I always want a bob, and then I complain about it and say, you know, I want long hair. And then, I mean, thank goodness for hair extensions, because, I mean, I be putting these clip-ins. I be putting them. I don't care. If it's on my head, that's my hair. I ain't got no shame. My hair is thinning. Started to like happen after I had my kid. Like my hair started to thin out. I have more hair loss. I hate that because, you know, a girl's starting to feel bald or whatnot, but that's part of your hormones after having kids, I guess. So I'm very, very, very tempted. And a lot of you guys were saying how nice I looked with red hair. Girl, it ain't happening. It's just not happening. I'm not gonna do that. But like, I would prefer to wear a wig if I want my hair bright like that, because I am never damaging my hair like that. Especially not after all this hair has been through, honey. And just to give you guys an update on my kid, let me tell you guys, I have yet to receive a phone call from any teacher. I mean, like, my son has ADHD, so, you know, he fidgets a lot, and sometimes he just can't stay in place. You know, he got the, you know, happy bones. I call him happy feet because I'm telling you, he literally is happy feet. Those little feet are always moving. So, like, I haven't gotten a call from his school. I'm hoping that everything is good. I mean, max that I get, like, is a note that, you know, he was fidgeting and he wouldn't stay in his seat. And that's something that we like to talk to him about, especially, like, when it comes to school. I don't want him to, you know, mess up, like, in school. I always want my son to feel like he accomplished something, because it's always good for kids to feel that way. You want your kids to feel like they can accomplish anything they put their little minds to. So that's just the type of parent I am. But I haven't gotten any calls. cause. No cause. I'm very proud mommy. Okay. He just better not get in trouble, I'm just saying. Because lot. I'm just going to be using some airspun loose powder just to bake. This is just what I prefer. I always love a bright under eye, but this may not work well for, you know, other people's skin types. I mean, you just gotta see what works best with your skin. I don't have dry under eyes or anything, so that's why I prefer to do this. Plus, yes, I like to look like I just woke up, I'm fresh, I'm awake. Hello. So now I'm just going to be using Urban Decay Naked Flush Palette, which is my go-to. You guys already know. And I'm just going to bronze up my face just to add some more color back into my face because I'm looking like a ghost, I'm pretty sure. So I just like to kind of tap it in and then blend it out. So anyways, you guys, I literally have some things packed for this trip because I am so excited. Like, it's one because like my cousin's coming and like their kids is coming, and I don't have other kids, but I like that my son loves being around their kids. Like, he loves his cousins, each and every one of them, and I love that, you know, he has that type of company because I remember growing up and not having, you know, much or whatever, but I always had my cousins growing up, and that's, you know, that's the best feeling ever. So I'm really excited for this, that I literally started to pack last month. When I'm packing, I like to make sure that I have everything. I don't want to forget anything or last minute be like, oh my god, I should have freaking packed this and extra clothes, and you know, because you don't know. But I want to start like taking more photos and things like that, so that's why I kind of packed a little extra. Sorry, babe. But we're flying Southwest, so this is going to be great. I love Southwest because you get to pick your own seats, you know? Even though you have to like kind of reserve it, like first come first serve type, but we'll be there hella early. And I don't think that the airport like going at that time will be, you know, so busy. Hopefully not. I need to blend this out. I think I'm gonna like, cause we are going to Universal as well, so I'm kind of like tempted to make this video like a part 2, like a part 1, part 2. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to see my little adventure in a part 2 type video, in a vlog. I'm gonna start filming how I edit. A lot of you guys always ask like what camera I use, my lighting, what editing software, and honestly it's always on my phone. I'm always on my phone, literally editing my photos, editing my videos, all that, learning, because I'm still, you know, learning and growing through this. It ain't easy, honey. So now on my eyes, I'm not going to be using much color on my lids. This is just a very simple, everyday fall look that I like to create when I'm on the run. So I'm going to be using the 3502 palette by Morphe. I haven't really digged into this palette, and I really should, because I mean these shades are just perfect for fall. So I'm going to be using Flux, which is this beautiful brown shadow here. I'm just using it with this base shadow brush by Real Techniques and lightly just adding that on my lid like so. This is just like my, you know, preferred makeup look. You just want to bronze up a little bit. I'm always into the browns. I don't know what it is, but I know for a while people were like so annoyed with me always using nudes. It's just the perfect, you know, perfect everyday look. Because who really walks around with bright colors? Like, seriously. I mean, for the most part, I started, so I can't even crack nobody unless I'm cracking myself. But I prefer my nudes. I love nudes. Putting it all over my lid. You just want it to look blended, you know? Much in store for fall. Like, I want to go pumpkin picking, and I want to go to the corn mazes. I mean, we already went to apple picking, which was like a family thing. Me and Jill started that like 2 years ago, and I'm so glad that we still do it. So it's always fun, even though my son is probably like, oh my god, apple picking. Me now, I'm like, apple picking, I love this. So this is what it should look like right now. I'm going to be adding the Peacock Flare by CoverGirl mascara onto my lashes, and then I'm going to apply my Ardell 251 lashes. Those are like my go-to. I love those lashes. They're just so bomby up. Wifey pull up hella early. Oh, you thought you was slack. Anyways, this is me with lashes. As you guys can see, I applied wing liner just for the quick. Oh, because I love such a bright under eye, yes, I go heavy on this underneath my eyes. It helps me from creasing, you guys. It's just my go-to. Okay, so now on my lips, I'm going to be using the Morphe liner and Linda. And I just like to take off all this extra product, foundation, off my lips. And then I'm going to apply Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Fabulous. And if it looks a little off, that's okay. We just clean it up with some concealer. Real vampy. I am a sucker for a burgundy lip during fall. Look at that smile.
Hi, babe. You're still filming?
Yeah, I'm still filming. So here I had to mute and skim through this because let's just say when wifey got home, she had some tea for me, and y'all know I love the tea. So anyways, here I'm just blushing up my face using the Wet n Wild color icon in the shade Mellow Wine. This is a go-to for me, very affordable. Y'all know how I feel about very affordable products. Just say I put y'all on. I love this blush. You need it in your lives. Now here I'm just taking my favorite spray, the Heritage Store Rose Water and Glycerin Water, and just fanning away. Girl, I felt like that Latina, like, ooh, look at that, angles, A. Okay, so here I'm just using the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills with AMREZY highlighter. This is my favorite. If you guys don't have it in your life, you are missing out. Like, look at that glow. Ooh, yes, honey. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys all enjoyed creating this look with me. Make sure you guys tag me on the gram. And until next time, I will see you guys all in my next video. Peace.